Hello everyone, this is your daily dose of internet. There are so many mosquitoes in Russia that the mosquitoes clump together to make huge tornadoes. Here's a demonstration showing how easy it is to power an LED light bulb compared to an incandescent or fluorescent. This is what the auroras of Jupiter look like. The auroras on Jupiter can be 1,000 times brighter than the aurora borealis here on Earth. This monkey wanted to see what this photographer was taking a picture of.
Can I have your cheese? Can I have that? Can I have your cheese? Can I have it? Can I have it? Give me that. Give me that. Give me your cheese. Give me.
These people work together to save someone stuck in rushing floodwater.
يا رب يا رب يا رب
A few seconds after being pulled to safety, a car came charging in at the same spot.
سبحانك يا والله كنت مش تضرب ويزح والله كان الله لا 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 لا.
This dog got caught eating a bag of chips, but didn't really seem to care. The wheels on this RC car are moving so fast that they become distorted. This person turned on their hose and a whole bunch of ice came out. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you learned something new, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later!